Hello everyone, my name is Fasayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of January 12th to January 18th. Monday, January 13th is National Gluten-Free Day. It acknowledges those who are facing health concerns due to gluten and provides helpful dietary tips moving forward. The next full moon will also be on Monday. It's the wolf moon, which can be seen at 5:27 p.m. Wednesday the 15th is National Bagel and Hat Day. So don't forget to wear your favorite hat and eat a yummy bagel. Friday, January 17th is Benjamin Franklin Day. It is a day dedicated to a man who was a jack of all trades in the truest sense. Saturday, January 18th is National Winnie the Pooh Day. It's celebrated on the birthday of the author A. Milne, who was born in 1882. It is a time to celebrate the number of films, books, and TV adaptations. And that's it for the world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.